Kaddu ka halwa. Two grated bottle gourd or kaddu. Boil water in an utensil. Add grated bottle gourd in boiling water. Mix and cook nicely. Cook nicely till raw smell goes away. Cook for more 5 minutes. Grated bottle gourd is cooked well. Turn off flame. Strain off water. Press nicely and remove excess water. Heat 2 teaspoons of ghee in a kaddu. Add some raisins, kishmish. Fry them on medium flame. Remove them and keep aside. Add grated bottle gourd in kaddu. Mix and fry nicely on medium flame. Fry nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half teaspoon of green cardamom or elaichi powder. Add half cup of jaggery. Mix jaggery with grated bottle gourd and cook. Cook till jaggery melts. Roast it very nicely on medium flame for more 5 minutes. Kaddu ka halwa is done. Add some fried raisins or kishmish. Give a quick mix and turn off flame. Kaddu ka halwa is ready. Tasty and delicious kaddu ka halwa is ready to serve. Enjoy tasty kaddu ka halwa when it is hot. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.